honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday, and I'll be reviewing this cutie here. I've reviewed this one other time, a while ago. It's called Woody, and it's by Sister Wig, and it has a high definition lace front. And is it heat safe? I don't know. Don't know, but I have it in the color FS1B30. That's what she looks like. So, here she is. It's like a straight, it's not silky and it's not yucky. So I don't know what you call it. So I'm gonna brush it. And it has a left side part, which I like a lot. I had to cut the lace off, and I always cut a MzBrazell notch in my lace where the part is, so there's no line of demarcation. So let me show you the inside of it. I should have did that before I brushed it. It has a nice stretchy wig cap. It has light and airy wefts. It has this much parting space. What's that, about 4 inches? Looks like about 4 inches. And like I said, it has a left side part. And I put powder. I'll put some more powder on the underside of the part. Okay, that's good. Let me brush it again. Oh, I gotta put on my wig grip. I like the subtle highlights of the number 30. Got my own hair in it's really in a bun. So it may stick out some when I put the wig on. That's okay. I ain't trying to win no beauty contest. So this is my wig grip. This keeps my wig from sliding back. It keeps it from being snatched off. Like if somebody were to snatch it right off upward, that's the way they would have to do it. But if somebody tried to snatch it back, it ain't going nowhere. Because this wig grip will hold it. You have to know how to do it. Now I know how to do it. Snatch it off that way. Okay. Oh. Does this have combs? Okay, this has a comb on each side of the part, and it has a comb in the back along with 2 adjustable straps and a little bit lace. Trying to pull this cap up over this ball I got. I'm always doing the most instead of just braiding it and flattening it down like I usually do. Ain't this cute? Yeah. My earrings gotta show. Get my fender out of here. My mother used to press my hair. She'd say, "Hold your fender." And then they want waves. Girl, you crazy. People trying to get waves and you want to get rid of yours. People always want what they don't have and don't want what they get. This is a cute bob. You got to do much to it. Show them earrings. Put a little powder right there. I'm using what I put on my face. This Black Radiant Soft Focus Finishing Powder. A little bitty brush. I always try to connect the part with my forehead a little bit. And I didn't bring another mirror. I'll start here on my forehead. That's good. I'm ready to go, y'all. Okay, I'm going to turn around. So this is the front. It's very comfortable. It's big head friendly. Lightweight. And it has body. And it has just the right amount of sheen for me. You know, I like hair to shine. Where other folks may be trying to put baby powder and dry shampoo and stuff in it. I like this. This is perfect. Front. Right side. I'm trying to hold my head up so y'all don't see all these chins. Double chins. Back. Nice and full. Y'all see it. No, the hump is pretty smashed. And the left side. I love the left side part. So it claims to having an over high side bang. I love a little lift on one side. If it's parted, I love it. Okay, so this is what she looks like. And I don't know what color she has on, but it's a pretty color. So it pretty much looks just like the picture. Sometimes the wigs don't look nothing like the stock card, but this one does. So it's called Woody Diva Lace by Cicero Wig. And I have it in the color FS 1B30. And I love it. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Oh. Okay, bye.